Today we will learn the letter X.
Hello again. Hi, it's me, Dr. B. Thank you for joining me. Our topic for the day is the letter X. We'll talk about recognizing the letter X, practice the letter X sound, and identify items that begin with the letter X. So are you ready?
Yes!
Great. So let's begin. First, we're going to look at the way the letter X is written. If you notice, they're written similar to each other. One is larger and one is smaller. The larger one is called the uppercase X, and the smaller one is called the lowercase x. They look alike and they also sound alike. They make the x sound. Can you say that?
Yes!
Yes, it says x. Let's say it together. X. Let's say it again. X. Good. Now we're going to be listening for that sound as I go through each item. The first one I'm going to start with is a vase.
Yes!
What do we hear at the beginning of vase? Well, first of all, say the word vase. You try it. Good. Vase. What do we hear at the beginning of vase? Do we hear the x sound? Let me repeat that again. X. Do you hear that sound?
Oh, no!
You hear something different? I agree. I don't hear that sound either. So I'm going to place the vase to the side because it doesn't make the X sound. The next item I have is a horse. Horse. Do you hear the X sound at the beginning of horse? X. Do we hear that sound at the beginning of horse?
No!
No, we can't hear x at the beginning of horse. That's not an X sound. So we're going to put that one to the side. And my last one is an X-ray of a hand. X-ray. Do we hear x at the beginning of X-ray? X-ray.
Yes!
If you said yes, you are correct. So we will place this one in the X bag. Thank you so much. I now have some things to go in my X bag for my alphabet party. Thank you so much. You did a great job listening to those X sounds. I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.